In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your cPanel through Hostinger, whether you're on a dedicated cPanel plan or an older hosting package that utilizes cPanel. Understanding how to navigate to your cPanel is crucial for managing various aspects of your hosting environment, such as setting up emails, managing files, or tweaking security settings. Let's dive right into the most common and straightforward method to access it, using the Hostinger hPanel. First, begin by logging into your main Hostinger account. To do this, head over to the official Hostinger website and use your credentials to sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, commonly referred to as the hPanel. This intuitive interface is designed to give you quick access to all your hosting services with ease. On the main dashboard, you'll see a list of your active hosting plans. Take a moment to locate the specific hosting plan you wish to manage, as each plan may have distinct configurations and resources. Once you've identified the correct plan, you'll notice a Manage button conveniently located next to it. Go ahead and click on that button. Now, here's the beauty of this process. By clicking the Manage button, you are automatically logged into the control panel associated with that specific hosting service. If your plan supports it, this will take you directly to cPanel without the need to input additional login details, saving you time and effort. It's a seamless transition designed to enhance user experience, especially for newcomers unfamiliar with the intricacies of web hosting control panels. By following these steps, you'll find yourself inside the cPanel, where a plethora of tools and options await your command. Whether you need to create a new database, install a content management system, or improve your website's security by enabling SSL, you're right where you need to be to manage these tasks efficiently. It's important to note, however, that if you're using a newer shared or cloud hosting plan, chances are you'll be working mostly with hPanel, Hostinger's custom control panel, which offers similar functionalities tailored specifically for Hostinger services. But for those on plans that still support cPanel, this method ensures quick and direct access, preventing any unnecessary frustrations. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to access your cPanel through Hostinger using the hPanel interface. As always, if you encounter any issues or have further customization needs, remember to explore the support section on Hostinger's site for additional resources and assistance. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful, ensuring smooth management of your hosting environment. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.